How are y'all doing tonight? This is Jarrett Bagwell, and we are up here working on the CJ7 tonight. That's right, Fireball. So we've been having issues having dead battery problems, and this year I've had 2 bad batteries come through on this thing, and kept thinking it might have been some type of wiring issue, because I am the one that redone the original harness for this thing, added the extra lights, a few other accessories inside, and I thought it was something I might have done wrong. It turned out I went to go take the battery out again last week, went to have it checked, turned up being another bad battery. So 3 bad batteries a year. Ain't saying good things for the battery market. So we're gonna go through and throw in a new battery tonight. I went ahead and changed some updates on the lugs, and I think it's gonna work out well. Gotta figure out where to set my phone out here for a minute. Can you see that? All right. Now, while I got y'all out of the way, go ahead and set the new battery in place. Sometimes not the most thing to do sometimes. But there it is. Old original 258. This is the 1980 CJ7. I know video ain't the best right now, but we're just kind of doing with it as with what we got. All right. So we're going with the marine style lugs. The original ones are just the old, regular old Walmart snap together type. They just don't last at all. So I kind of went with a new idea here. So we're gonna try this out. So putting my brackets back on. A little bit extra stainless for make the Jeep look pretty. Don't forget to add your little safety battery protection there. Always helps to ensure a good safe connection. And I know I may or may not be putting this stuff on right, but hey, it's all that matters. Squeeze some on there. Then I like to take these little things here, just kind of dab it on there and get it up and around there. All right, where's my negative? I'm gonna like dealing with these because I just take the cable off and just put it to the side while I'm trying to get these things in place. And do the positive side as well. Rub that good stuff all on there. It's a little bit not stretched out enough, so find something to prise in between it to kind of pull them back apart just a little bit. I'm sure somebody in the comments probably has something to say with the way I'm installing these, but hey, just get the job done. A little love tap never hurt nothing. Marine style battery post, I think these things are called. All right, where'd my, there it is. Which way I want to turn it? I think it'll be right the wing nut. Oh, that's interesting, different sizes. Did not realize that these was different sizes. Very interesting. And I'll come back, zip tie all these together and make them look a little bit nicer. I got a couple of new mounts that I'm going to try to use as well to just make everything just look better. I'm OCD when it comes to a lot of this stuff. But as long as it's off metal, I'm happy. So. There we go. Well, time to test, see if this whole thing fires up. Got the key. Nothing to it but to check it. Make sure my alarm system's off. Hey, that's good news. We got brake lights. Let's see if this whole thing will turn over. Get a little bit of choke. It's a little cold right now. Like a kid. Y'all see that dirt dauber's nest on there? See if I can get